Hello, my name is Shah. Welcome to my presentation for the global sustainability subject. The topic of my presentation is the reuse and conversion of cardboard box to virtual reality gear. This conversion will allow you to create VR headset by reusing cardboard boxes that you would throw away as a waste. So this reuse would be useful in terms of global sustainability. Sustainability is to meet our own needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their needs. As a fast developing country, Malaysia started considering global sustainability since 1970s. It is followed by Malaysian government and Malaysian industry since then, and recently by the society as well. As a sustainable practice in Malaysia, I can refer to the use of Carousel app. Carousel is an app for selling and buying new and second-hand items on the internet. Carousel app has become very popular in Malaysia, especially during the lockdown time known as MCO. The average Malaysian made almost 1,400 ringgit selling second-hand items on this app. So why cardboard box? Cardboard box is a very common waste generated by industries and households every day. The recycling and recovering rate for this material is in fact very low, is above 4%. The recycling process consumes lots of resources and energy. The non-recycled waste contains chemical substances which are used for bleaching and printing on this material that can contaminate the environment. So the idea for this assignment is to convert cardboard boxes to virtual reality gear. A virtual reality gear or headset is a head-mounted gadget that provides VR experience for you. So cardboard boxes can be converted to this gadget. The development is quite simple. You need to have a flattened cardboard box that can cover the size of the body pieces that are mentioned in the report. You will need some tools such as a cutter knife, scissors, a glue, and a ruler to cut and put the pieces together. To create the lenses, you can use a plastic bottle, which is optional. The details are available in the report. When done, you can assemble the body as you can see in a picture, and then put your phone inside the gear to make it function. The development and assembling shouldn't be taking longer than 45 minutes. So here is the end product. As you can see, it's quite functional and it's easy to make. So as for the sustainability performance, the conversion of such a material could be beneficial for the environment. Producing cardboard boxes require cutting the trees. So such a conversion could save the trees. On the other hand, to make VR gears, you need plastic. And since VR gears are not upgradable, making plastic VR gears means making dangerous waste for future. And in general, this reuse method will help us generate less waste. As for the economy, This will also help us save money on producing cardboard boxes and save energy and resources, especially for the recycling part. Furthermore, we can make a virtual reality gear with a very low budget. An actual VR gear price range is from 100 to 3000 ringgit, while this conversion wouldn't cost more than 20 ringgit. And in terms of social, this could be beneficial as well. VR gears are usually being shared between people because they are expensive. The sharing could transfer germs and viruses from one person to another. And this could be quite dangerous, especially during pandemics like COVID-19. By having a cardboard made VR gear, everyone can have their own gadget without sharing it with others. Besides that, since this type of conversion is quite simple, it can encourage people, especially the young ones, to consider the reuse instead of using new items and producing more waste in the end. I believe that it's necessary to practice reusing of waste and unusable items and turn them into a new product. This should be considered especially by young people. Some traditional and simple ways, such as cardboard boxes, which could in fact harm our environment and affect our economy and society as a waste, they could be easily converted to a new and maybe modern usable product and be reused for purposes such as education and entertainment. So that was my presentation, which I hope it was very useful and informative. If there is any feedback or question, please feel free to send it to the email mentioned here. Thanks again for your time. Goodbye.